If you are interested in this classic makeup look, just keep watching. So I'm just doing my eyebrows using this black pencil. So as a beginner you can use brown, or as someone who doesn't want harsh colors you can use brown. So just to watch the way I did them exactly. So I want to make it an ombre effect, that it won't be too dark or exactly in front. You understand? In front I just leave it a bit shaded or faded. Then I'm using the flat brush with the concealer just to clean. So I'm using the flat brush and the concealer just to clean below. As you can see guys, it's very easy. You just need to make sure that your hand is balanced. Guys, if you have watched it to this far so long, don't forget to subscribe, especially if you are a makeup lover or a fashion lover. Here we do about beauty. We want to look good. So that's what we do in this channel. We teach how to do makeup on yourself, on clients, and we do dress with me videos. So you don't want to miss those dress with me videos. I make sure that I create a video every Sunday and post it either on Sunday or any following day. So I just use the brush to blend the concealer. I use the beauty blender, and I'm putting the concealer on my lid and blend it so that we can put the eyeshadow. But before putting the eyeshadow, I am using the powder to set. Gigi, can you? So I'm just using the powder to set the concealer. That's the Mimikey compound powder that I am using. Is not translucent. And then we are going with our eyeshadow. We are using a spoon technique, guys. This is easy. Even without spoon we can achieve this. We are using our brush, and we are just follow exactly how I did it, just to trace with a spoon. Okay, and then I'm taking this a bit orange just to blend that purplish on top. Okay, so it's the one that I'm using with the fluffy brush. You see how I'm holding the fluffy brush, not closer to the bristles, and I'm using circular motion, just sweeping motion, and I keep on doing the same thing for some few minutes just to blend. And I'm taking that my pencil just to trace here to make a wing, just like that. The reason why I use the pencil is because we're going to blend it, so I feel like it's gonna come out nice. So I'm just smudging it. I'm smudging it, I'm smudging, keeping on repeating the same process. And I'll go to take a little bit of purple. So I just took that, a little bit of that same eyeshadow, so that we can blend this wing. Then here is some glitters and clear glue. I just mixed them and I'm applying them just to cut the crease with some glitters mixed with clear glue. You see, they are secured. This is very easy process. This is very easy. I just put a little bit of glue to the surface and I pour a little bit of glitter there, and I'm just picking them and applying here, just like that, guys. The process is not difficult. Anyone can do this if you put your heart, your mind to it. You can do this. without stress. So after that, I'm going for my lashes. So these lashes, I used them before, so this is my second time. So I'm applying clear glue. That's the advantage of clear glue, because if it was that black glue, it's impossible to reuse the lashes, you see. So I'm applying exactly on top of the natural lash. You don't want to be too far, because if you are too far of the top of the natural lash, the gap will be shown and it will look weird. You see, the gap is not showing. And don't forget that I left the lashes to be a little bit tacky, because if they are not tacky, it will be difficult to put them. They will not be holding, you see. So just to leave them to be tacky, it will help. You can even move and adjust. So here is my moisturizer. This is Gentle Magic. I'm using it to moisturize my under eye especially. You don't want the under eye to be too dry. So any moisturizer, you can use sunscreen. So this process, if you don't want creases, make sure that the moisturizer is set or is dry or is tacky or is damp on the skin before you apply another product, before you apply another moisturizer or primer. So we are going just to fan, and after that we are going with our primer. So do not forget, we don't put primer under the eye. Don't make that mistake. Primer can go anywhere else, but concentrate especially on the T-zone, because that's where it tends to be too oily. Unless if your whole face is oily, then you can put primer the whole face, but do not put primer under your eye. So I intentionally put this foundation stick, which foundation is not my skin tone. So I just wanted to show you that if your foundation is darker, I just wanted to show you that you can use concealer. You see, you use concealer, you mix so that it can suit the complexion of your choice, you see. So you don't have to stress if you bought a foundation that is too darker than your skin tone. Always know that you can mix with another product, or if you got a foundation that is lighter than your skin tone, it means you need to have something darker to mix with, just to match, because our intention is to match our exact skin, right? But to be honest, blending this was not easy, because you see, they need to blend well. They need to blend well, as they were different products and they were matte. So matte product needs complete blending. I understand. So I'm going on with my concealer, just to conceal on the darker circles of my eye. But usually I tend to leave it, but for the sake of this video, I'm sorry. Hey you guys, you don't understand. I'm feeling sleepy at the same time I'm doing a voiceover. But if we just leave this video like that, you won't understand. So that's how I placed the concealer, just to help also to clean that wing eyeshadow. So I'm just blending, tape, press in consistently and gently, so that you can win. So after that, I'm using that same compound powder to set my under eye. So I just wanted to make sure if the eye is completely set, because eyes tend to crease. So we don't want that. and I use this orange shade of my eyeshadow just as blush. So I just wanted to show you guys that in makeup you are not restricted. If you see something that look like another thing, try it. Understand? Like how we use our concealer as a foundation, try it. So here we are using as blush, we are using our eyeshadow. You see, the blush was blushing. The blush just took the looks to from 0 to 100. So I'm using that same pencil, the same pencil for the eyebrow, for the wing. Now I'm tracing the exact shape of my lips, and I'm rubbing my lips together. It's a way of blending that saves you brushes. You see, then I was feeling it. At this stage. I took the purple lipstick and put in between and started to rub my lips together. And then I just remember that there's a shimmery eyeshadow here. Shimmery is the shiny one. We are using it as highlighter. As I told you, eyeshadow is not only for eyeshadow. Eyeshadow can be used in different ways. We use eyeshadow as blush. You just saw it. And now we are using this shimmery eyeshadow as highlighter. You can see it will just give the shape a bright lifting. Understand? So I could see that it's now showing. Oh, you guys. Then I put here on top of my lips. You see, it's just giving. If you are not a highlighter person, you are allowed to skip. So I just put some highlighter under the eyeshadow, the eyebrows. So this is the brow bone, eyebrow bone. And don't forget, this will take your looks to from 0 to 100 again. This tear dot, don't forget to put your bright shimmery or matte eyeshadow on the bridge of your nose, on the tear dots, and I'm putting purple here just below. Guys, don't forget to be part of this family. Follow, subscribe, so that you'll be updated. So right now I was feeling myself, but at the same time I was remembering that I forgot something, which is the waterline. We need to apply liner on the waterline. We looked for this before, but we kept looking until we find it. So right now I'm just using it, and I just remembered again that I needed to put mascara, but I did it off camera later. So that's it, guys.